Bulldog.
Bulldog. Duffy, you want to be in the video?
Come over here and you can be in the video.
Duffy. No? Hello, friends. British accent. Today is one of my favorite days of each month. I got a Stitch Fix box. So for those of you who don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's a clothing service, not subscription, and what you do is you go on Stitch Fix and you fill out a style profile. It asks you your favorite colors, your favorite patterns, some brands that you like, maybe some pictures of outfits you might wear. You can tell them what job you have, you write a little bio about yourself. It's kind of like filling out a dating profile to set you up with a stylist that you'll never meet, but you communicate with probably more often than most of your parents. And my stylist, her name is Chelsea. They send you clothes every month, every other month, every 3 months, whatever frequency you want. That's why it's not a subscription. And in each box are 5 clothing items, maybe a pair of pants, a few t-shirts, maybe a jacket. Every time they send you a box, you get billed $20, but that $20 is waived if you keep an item, and that money is put towards the items that you keep in the box. The great thing is, if you keep everything that's in your box, no matter what membership you have, it's always 25% off. I've been using Stitch Fix for about 5 months now, and I've purchased so many items that I'm now part of their Style Pass, which means I paid a one-time annual $50. I never pay the $20 styling fee every time they send me a box. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so in your box is a bag that you send any items that you don't want to keep. The postage is already on it. Back to Stitch Fix, you just place your items in the bag and drop it off at your post office. In the green envelope is a letter from your stylist, and it has pictures of all the items that she sent, and it tells you how you compare them with items they may have sent in the past, or items that you may have already received from them, as well as a write-up of why they sent what they sent, and maybe talking about what you've told them that you've liked. Also in the envelope is a bill, but who wants to look at that because you want free clothes. I don't like to open the envelope right away because I want to see what's in the box and be surprised. Alright, first item is this polo. They sent me a lot of polos, and the thing I really appreciate about it is when I first signed up, I told them I hate pockets on anything, because pockets, no matter what size, kind of sit weird on my body. They look like they're in the middle of my stomach, or they're in my belly button, or whatever. So Chelsea really listens to me. She never sends me anything that has a pocket, and I really appreciate that. I don't have anything in this color. I think it's really nice. My Stitch Fix price levels are set to the lowest, but they still send me really high quality items that are super soft. They hold up in the washing machine, and they're really durable. I haven't had anything that's a bad quality sent to me so far. Second item is a shirt. It seems to have that performance Under Armour material that wicks away your sweat, which I think is really awesome that they have items like that. I sweat a lot. Ladies, don't listen to that. But I really like the color, and it's pretty cool that they have a shirt like this. I think I'll keep it. I've never owned anything that's teal. I probably look beautiful in it, so why not? Third item, Captain.
Captain.
Captain?
Captain.
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 I'm okay with my feminine side, so I'll wear the pink. In this really fun graphic t-shirt, has Captain at the top. Not really sure what it means, but I'll still rock it. I really like it. It's really casual. On my style profile, I didn't tell them what my job was because I knew that they would send me suits. I never wear a suit, nor do I ever want to wear a suit. I told them that I'm a writer and an artist because in my head that's what I am. So they sent me fun items. I had to phone to the table because my mom said my sweatpants look sloppy. I want you guys to comment and tell me I look nice and that she's just nuts. Okay? Because apparently I told you guys in my previous videos, don't look sloppy, but I'm in my house right now. I'm not job interviewing. Okay? I'm making a video about clothing. This is a fourth item, a Henley t-shirt. But I already have something almost exactly in this color that they've sent me before that's really similar. It has some blue on it, but overall the same shirt. I might not keep this, but we'll see. Fifth and final item is a pair of really comfy joggers. This is the second pair of joggers that they've sent. So far they've all fit pretty nice. The first pair they sent, kind of like a polyester, and they sent me it in like the middle of July, and I thought that was an odd material, but they turned out to be alright, not too hot. We'll see what these are. Now I'll read the letter that Chelsea sent me. As you can see all the little pictures on it, it shows the items that she sent, and like I said, it's matched with some shoes and pair of pants they might have. I never get shoes from them. That was the one thing I was adamant about, not sending me shoes.
Accessories.
My camera operator, I swear to God.
I've been fired 9 times, but he keeps rehiring me.
I swear to God. They can send you underwear if you want, socks, not really anything I need. Just shirts, jackets, pants is what I want. So let's see what Chelsea said. Hey Chaz, lucky you, it's Fix Day. Okay, I think I understand the fit you need on your pants denim. Once I see an ultra skinny pair of jeans, I'm going to write your name all over them. Okay, not really, but you know what I mean. So for a few months now, I've been telling her I want a pair of jeans, acid wash jeans, whatever, denim. She sent me one pair, but I like my pants super skinny and not slim. Slim tend to still be baggy in the lower leg, where I like my pants to be really skinny from the thigh down to my ankle. Alright, let's read on. The Warp and Heft brand have the skinniest jeans, but right now our inventory is low and we don't have them available, but I'll keep my eye out. So, I pulled another pair of joggers, and this time in a different fabric that you might like more than the previous navy pair. So see, she remembered that I said the fabric before might have been a little bit too warm. They really listen, and that's the one thing I've tried other clothing and subscription services, and they say that they match you with a stylist, but everyone has the same name, like Alex or like Jessica or something, and they're just robots and they really don't listen to anything you tell them. Because you like the performance fabrication, I added in 2 different tops that include those qualities. The teal green tee even includes an anti-odor fabrication. How cool, right? That will give you a fresh option in your lineup. What do you think? I'll read your feedback soon. Signing off, Chelsea. Let's look at the bill. Here's the fun part. I have to spend money. Not really fun. The pink t-shirt she sent with the word captain on it, that was $30. The purple and pink striped polo, that's $48. The teal green performance shirt, that's $29. Not bad for the fabric. The joggers are $45. And the red Henley, which I might send back, is $34. So that adds up to $186. But if I keep everything, it's a 25% discount, which is $46 off. Now, here's what you have to think about. The shirt I wanted to send back, just one item, is $34. If I send that back, I wouldn't get the discount. The $34 is less than if I kept everything, which they'd be taking $46 off. So because of that, I'm going to keep the one shirt, even though I have something similar, it's just cheaper that way. So everything would come to $139, which isn't bad for 5 items that are super comfortable, really soft, and just a service of Stitch Fix has been amazing so far. Stitch Fix has a friends and family link that I'm going to share in the description below. If you click on that link and sign up for Stitch Fix, you get $25 towards your first purchase, and I get $25, and that means we're best friends now. The main reason I signed up for Stitch Fix is when you have a disability, it's really hard to go to the mall, try on clothing in a really small changing room. I can't get out of my wheelchair to try on pants, so I have to buy pants, come back home, try them on, and then if they don't fit, which they usually don't, drive back to the mall just to return them. Even if I order something online, it's still the same thing because you're buying the pants, before you actually try them. Then I have to figure out a way to send them back in the mail and wait for my refund. Where Stitch Fix, they're sending everything to me. I haven't spent a dime yet, and I get to try them on in my home, on my bed, where I'm comfortable. And if I like the pants, I keep them, and if I don't, I send them back, and I don't have to worry about getting any money returned to me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, be different, leave a trail. I see you.